Ang pangarap mong bahay na malapit sa Tagaytay? Tutuparin natin ng sabay-sabay. Dito lang yan sa Rexdale West Residences, General Trias, Cavite. For Jasmine Expanded, we have 82 square meters to 107 square meters. For Carnation Single Attached, we have 100 square meters. Provision for 2 bedrooms, we have 2 toilet and bath, and we have 2 carports. And for Linnea Single Attached, we have 100 square meters for lot area. And for the floor area, we have 77.25 square meters. Okay? So provision for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 2 carports. Bawat unit ay may sariling parking space at service area for future expansion. Bear type and turnover ng unit natin, kaya may freedom kang mamili ng materials at design na pasok sa budget mo. Malapit lang ito sa highway, kaya naman accessible sa lahat. Malapit lang ito sa future Galaxy Lang Interchange, Lyceum Cavite, Gateway Business Park, at Tagaytay City. Ang Rexdale West ay a pre-selling project by Axia Group of Companies, kaya makakasiguro kang quality ang magiging subdivision mo. Yes, you heard it right. Pre-selling ang project na ito, kaya mas magaan and mas stretchable ang ating payment term. And for the down payment, stretchable ito up to 28 months. Ang balance naman ay pwede sa Pag-ibig financing natin. At maganda pa dito, developer-assisted na ang project ng loan mo. Isa ito exclusive subdivision na may top-notch amenities gaya ng amphitheater, camping area, tree houses, fruit gazebos, art installations, circular plaza, wood deck, gazebos, and jogging path. Alam ko, gusto mo rin tumira sa ganito kagandang community. So ano pa hinintay mo? Contact me now. I am your property specialist, Irish Pesante, and their whole team. Tutulungan kita maabot ang dream home mo. Tara!